Breaking news. In today's fast-changing digital landscape, visibility decides victory, and one name is helping businesses get seen where it matters most: Digitell Evolution. Karthik, thousands of businesses struggle to get noticed online. What makes Digitell Evolution different?
Most businesses advertise, we strategize. At Digitell Evolution, we use data-driven Google Ads to target people who are actually looking for your service, not just scrolling by.
So it's not just about clicks, it's about real results.
Exactly. We optimize campaigns daily, track conversions, and turn your budget into measurable growth. Every ad we run has one goal: delivering ROI.
You heard it here first. Visibility isn't luck, it's strategy. And with Digitell Evolution, businesses aren't just being seen, they're being chosen.